Hi everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious mango lassi smoothie. I love mango lassis. Anytime I get Indian food, like dosas or samosas or pakoras, any of that stuff, chana masala, I have to have a mango lassi to go with it. So why not have a mango lassi smoothie when you're starting your day? Let's get to it. Using a blender, just go ahead and add your Greek yogurt to the blender, and unlike me, you want to add that first. I added in the mangoes first, which was wrong. Add in the yogurt, go ahead and then add in the mango. Now, if you're using fresh mango, it's totally fine. If you want to use frozen mango, that will also work quite well for this recipe, but I highly recommend letting it thaw out quite a bit before you make the smoothie. There's not a lot of extra liquid in this smoothie like there are other smoothies. We're not using orange juice or any sort of soy milk or anything like that. So the juice is really coming from that mango and the yogurt. That's the liquid. So you're gonna kind of need that mango to be not frozen, which, you know, I did that part also. So after that, you wanna go ahead and add in the sugar. Now, if you like things on the sweet side, use 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you like things kind of undersweet, then I would say you could probably get away with 0 or maybe even just 1 tablespoon of sugar. The Greek yogurt definitely has a tartness to it, and the mango will cut it a little bit, but if you really want sort of that authentic mango lassi flavor, you're gonna want a little bit of sugar in there. Then go ahead and add in a pinch of cardamom, ground cardamom, and a little bit of salt. And then just blend. After it's fully blended, I like to top these off with some crushed pistachio and some like cardamom seeds. I think it just adds a nice touch, makes it look really authentic. And there you go, a nice, fresh, delicious mango lassi smoothie. Love it, right? So if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. And if there's something that you want to see, just drop a comment down below. And hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. So this recipe starts out with, obviously, mangoes, right? I'm gonna start that all over.
Starts with yogurt.
Starts with yogurt, that's why I'm starting it over.